At Banford, and I'm going to show you how to make some delicious island chicken. Well, we're just about finished with our island chicken platter and it looks terrific. Like I said, a party on a plate. Wow. Take a look here. We have spinach on the bottom, followed by radicchio. Then we put our delicious juicy marinated chicken and bacon. We have grilled onions and peppers. Then we just topped it with some fun ingredients like coconut rolled dates, pineapple, crushed banana chips, and some cherry tomatoes. And now we're going to finish it off because this is just about done. Let's see, we have our scallions, which we chopped. Love those scallions. There we go. We have some macadamia nuts and walnuts. Like that. And we have some crumbly white Oaxacan cheese. I like cheese on this one. And then we're going to drizzle it with some of the dressing. The dressing has some rice wine vinegar, canola oil, pineapple coconut nectar, and lime juice and lime zest. Wow, it smells and looks terrific. And then finally, some sesame seeds. Wow, that looks great. It's great for a family dinner. Your family will be really happy with that, I know. Or a party, a get-together, a Super Bowl, the big game, or just, you know, a family birthday or something like that. Well, I hope you enjoyed making this platter as much as I did. This is our island chicken platter, and we'll see you next time on